हेलो।
Hello,
हाय, कैसे हो?
I am good. How are you?
मी ऑल्सो गुड। सो यू फ्रॉम?
I am from Kerala.
ओके, नाइस।
Thank you.
सो व्हाट
And
डू यू डू?
you from Uttar Pradesh?
या, आई एम फ्रॉम यूपी। सो व्हाट डू यू डू?
I am, I just finished my boards.
10th or 12th?
Well, I will be finishing my boards. No, no, not 10th. Oh my God. Higher secondary.
सो योर एज?
18.
प्लस और अंडर एज?
Oh no, I'm 18.
योर एज एन, ओके, नाइस।
2007.
सो योर नेम?
Although I accidentally gave my age as like 25 on here, and I'm like,
नो नो, एक्चुअली
do I
लीव इट।
even look 25?
नो।
Thank you. People actually ask me like, "What's your job?" And I'm like,
जॉब? सीरियसली?
"Yeah, that's kind of offensive. Not gonna
नो
lie.
नो,
Like,
एक्चुअली यू आर लुकिंग
what do I look
मैच्योर
like?"
ना, बाय योर फेस यू आर लुकिंग मैच्योर, दैट्स व्हाई।
Okay.
So actually, I'm a streamer. So
Wow. Could have told me that before I completely fucking embarrassed myself.
uh, okay. So like your name?
Self-conscious. It's not. It's Parvati.
Say it again.
Parvati.
Parvati. Seriously,
Yeah.
nice name. Actually, beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Is your name Kishu?
Yeah. That's my nickname. But my real name is like. Can you pronounce? नेक्स्ट
Pran.
व्लॉग अभी एक सेकेंड। नेक्स्ट व्लॉग अभी केरला में बनेगा। अरे प्रवीण भाई, क्रेजी, थैंक
Hmm?
यू फॉर द 200 रुपीज मेंबरशिप ब्रो। लव यू फॉर दिस। प्रवीण भाई, आर यू अ रियल पर्सन? आर यू अ रियल पर्सन? रियल पर्सन इज लाइक, आप स्कैम क्यों नहीं कर रहे? बिकॉज यहाँ पे काफी ज्यादा स्कैम हो रहा है ब्रो। प्लीज, अगर आप सच में हो तो कुछ भी रिफंड मत करना, है ना? क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम फिर मुझे होती है। सो या, एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस। लव यू मेरे भाई। हाँ जी, अभी बोलो। और या कैन यू प्रोनाउंस प्लीज? प्लीज।
Is that a swear word? No, no, right?
व्हाट?
It's your name, right?
या
Prankur?
या नाइस।
I feel like you're. I feel like this is some kind of joke. Is that actually your name?
यस।
Or are you like making
It's only
fun of
prank,
me and like,
not a full name joke. You know, it's only prank, not a real prank. You know. Yeah, full name is this.
oh, actually, I've heard this name a few times.
Seriously, where,
Yeah,
where,
like
where?
Rajput.
Yeah,
I've seen it on Instagram.
maybe.
Like, I get comments from a lot of those. I don't know why, but like a large following of mine is from North India.
Okay, maybe.
It's kind of weird. And like the some Malayali creators, they text me and they're like, "Are you Malayali?" So I mean, it's not their fault because I haven't really like you know explained it anywhere in my.
So you have a public account or a private account?
I have a public account.
Okay, okay. Can you give, please?
Sure.
Yeah, type.
Do I just
Yeah,
type it?
yeah.
Okay. There.
So
So
are you
you're live
content
streaming right
creator
now?
or yeah, I'm doing live streaming right
How many people are watching?
now. Not much, only 1200.
Yeah,
So
that's not a lot at all.
41.9.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Thank you.
Damn.
I feel like I've embarrassed myself in front of a lot of people right now.
No, no, no. Wait, let me check.
Just a bunch of makeup videos, not gonna lie.
Okay. So, what is your height, by the way?
I
Just asking, just asking.
I'm 5'5".
You're 5'5", right?
Yeah.
Nice.
You're the second person who's asked that.
Pretty good.
Can I know why?
No, no, just asking. A normal question. Yeah.
Is it though?
Raveen bhai, again 50 memberships. Seriously, bro. Actually, one person just gifted 150 membership. 150 membership to my channel. Seriously. Maybe you are the lucky one for me.
I mean, people do say that. I was the light
Seriously.
in that light. And no, they don't say that. I just made that up. Oh, wait.
Like, why you have
Yeah,
so
nobody said
deep
that.
voice? You are just 18 and
Why do
having.
I have a deep voice?
Yeah, you are just 18 and having this much deep voice.
Probably because first of all, you're a stranger. So when we tend to talk to strangers, like our voices are deeper than when we speak to people that we're closer with. Like, as you get to know people, your pitch gets higher for some reason. I find myself talking like a fucking cat sometimes. I'm like, what the fuck am I doing? Yeah. And also, I have a throat ache. So, ache, throat pain, and shit like that. So, and maybe I'm a boy. You never know.
सलवार में तलवार. Nice.
Oh, oh no.
So you speak Hindi
Wanna have a sword fight?
with me? With me or like
Okay. I don't have a salwar or talwar. I don't know.
kids.
I'm not a child.
No,
I'm not
according
an
to
adult
me,
either, but
according to me, you are a kid.
are you old?
Yeah, actually, I'm 22.
My sister's older than you, so you're young.
Okay.
Yeah, I
So
guess that's how age works here. Everybody ages in comparison to my sister, who's 25, by the way.
nice.
Yeah, so you're also just a little.
Not a big deal. So, do you have a boyfriend? Just a normal question.
Oh yeah, like how tall you were, tall I was. You really want to know?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Why?
I don't know. It's like so many people are watching.
No, it's only 1.3K. Not much. What? Say it again.
I mean, okay, I do admit that I don't have a boyfriend, but like I also admit that I don't want one. And that's the reason why I don't have one. It's weird. Like I just find it a bit of a hassle at the moment.
Okay, got it. So, I think you are straight, right?
Yeah,
Nice,
definitely.
nice. Are you doing stream or something?
What?
Are you doing stream or something?
No?
Are, are you?
Imagine that.
Seriously, are you a streamer?
Imagine that. Do I look like one?
Yeah, because my chat
You're
is
supposed
saying.
to say no.
Yeah, because my chat is saying.
Have they seen me before?
Maybe.
There's no way. I've never streamed one day in my life
Then how are they getting your Insta?
because I wrote it down here.
No.
Maybe they're my fans.
Ah, again 50 memberships, bro. Are you serious?
You're welcome. Imagine if I just leave right now without saying anything.
I don't know.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye 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 bye. Take care.